Animal Mothers by Atsushi Komori, illustrated by Masayuki Yubiuchi. This is the title page. Mother cat carries her kittens in her soft mouth. Mother lion carries her cub in her mouth too. Mother baboon's baby clings tightly to her stomach. Mother chimpanzee carries her baby in her arms. Mother koala's cub rides on her back. Mother sloth carries her baby on her stomach. Mother kangaroo carries her joey in her pouch. Mother elephant gently pushes her baby with her trunk to make it run. The zebra foal runs along behind its mother. Baby wild boars follow their mother, all in a bunch. Baby hedgehogs follow their mother in a nice straight line. The end.